Welcome back, guys. CryptoFi channel. Today we'd like to talk about a Jasmy USDT trading pair with my custom indicator set updates. Let's dive in. All that same period, it was accumulation zone, you remember. So we out of just the range, basic range. Two main targets I shared with you previously. So I think the main idea is this gap, monthly one, and this gap, monthly one. So 9 cents and around 15 cents. It can be the top for Jasmy for this round. Of course, a lot of people think we go into $1 and all of that stuff. Hypothetically, it's possible. Everything is possible in the world, you know. But now I don't have a good news for you because I don't know why Binance added the Jasmy under monitoring tag. So what is monitoring tag? I highly recommend going to the Binance and read about it on their platform. So it doesn't mean they will delist Jasmy, but yes, I can't say it's something pretty positive for Jasmy or for any other tokens. Like you can see in this list, we can find out the tokens like a FTX token, then Sunpump, Balancer, Movie Block, Vizier X, Ran, Clover. So basically some low caps token, which not so popular now. And from all of that tokens, here we got a Jasmy with the biggest capitalization, almost 1 billion at 2 cents, almost 1 billion capitalization. I don't think so. The Binance will delist the Jasmy, the token with 1 billion capitalization. But who knows? Also, the bad things, people who trade a classic TA, right? They can find out we start forming something like head and shoulder pattern on the weekly time frame. So impulse, left shoulder, head, and here was like a right shoulder. I don't think so. This is this pattern, but if it is, we can dump, I guess, even under 0.2044 based on this pattern. If we use just a classic head and shoulder pattern on TradingView, like you can see, there's nothing. So this indicator does not identify that pattern now. So maybe it's not that pattern. So I hope so. Of course, also here under, we leave the monthly gap also. Yes, this one monthly gap, which will not come back and not close. It's not necessary, so we have to close that gap. If we will, now we can dump even to 1 cent or the full fill around 0.2069. We leave the liquidity pool in May. We didn't sweep it in August. A lot of tokens in August formed the historical low or just a low. The Jasmy pumped it pretty hard. Like you remember, I fixed the profit around here. So yes, I missed the right more, like 100% more, but I'm out of that token in profit. So everything okay. And yes, just be honest, Jasmy pumped at 1,500% gains. So you can't doubt about the Jasmy, how Jasmy performed this cycle, because open the chart, for example, DYDX 50% up from historical all-time low. How we can doubt about Jasmy if this asset pumped at 1,500% gains? So it's always about your entry in that token. Of course, if you enter here around the summer, definitely you're now like 50% loss on the spot, and we can dump lower. Definitely we can dump lower, even like 83%. That's why it's always about different vision of the market. I hope the most negative scenario, if we dump to sweep that low of May, that low of March, test like maybe psychological price 1 cent, the Binance remove the Jasmy from under monitoring tag, and we going higher to this one 6 cents is going to be the full fill, and this crucial level water market. And the next step is going to be here. Maybe it's going to be the end of bull run for the Jasmy. Like you remember during the alt season for alts, approximately it's okay to see the gains like 3,000 till 5,000% gains. So it's okay gains, it's good gains, guys. Also pay attention for the capitalization. So if at 2 cents we get a capitalization like a 1 billion, so You can go and count with the circulatory supply, or they need to reduce the circulatory supply. So technically, the zone of support is this monthly gap. So now it's like, unfortunately, like a magnet. I hope this is just a accumulation. So this impulse, correction, impulse, correction, and we'll see another one, impulse, before the major correction again. But technically, we build a structure now, uptrend structure. Let's take a look on a weekly time frame with my customer set. What's going on now? What I don't like we are still in the distribution zone. So this distribution, of course, not like this one. We formed the divergence, and it would be good to see one more impulse up to form bigger divergence. No signal for accumulation on direction now. No signal for distribution. So this is what about a weekly time frame. And of course, guys, after 1,500% gains, it's okay to take a profit, because that guys who accumulated in average here during all that time period, they are still in profit 400%. Take a look on market money power. And this is a hope. This was a disbelief. This was disbelief again. Coin pump it. Around here, I'm out of that token. And here was a total euphoria. Money outflow, every side bearish divergence, time to out of the that asset. And now we are just in a positive zone. So it's not euphoria, nothing. It's good. So we need to hold the line strong and continue rally higher. The perfect scenario, I remind you, if we sweep this low and this low. In this case, it can be just locally like 25% dump. And no accumulation, no money inflow like it was here in October 2022. So this is it. And last two indicators is trade on, take profit. Take a look on trade on here. Here was a main signal to buy. Recommendation close position, take profit. Here out of that token. Sell, sell. Buy back. No new signal to buy. Unfortunately. Daily time frame. Sell. Last one was here exactly at the top in June. Now only signals to buy back, a local speculation. And the last indicator here, a weekly time frame. What you have to know, it's take profit indicator. We trade and test only exit line. So the dump to take profit line above, it can be 0.1 cent 62. Buy line at this current moment, it's 0.2081. It's not unnecessary, so we will dump to this target now. But yes, it's more than possible to see. Daily time frame here, a little bit more positive. So negative scenario, if we will go and test the buy line again, or even the fundamental value of that token, and then recover back. So this is going to be the negative scenario, because now we build like a downtrend structure. So this is the case. To breaking out this downtrend local structure, we need to breaking out this high, form something like this one, sweep that high and going higher. So guys, all targets I showed you. Accumulation zone and the buy line, now it's 1 cent 42. Fundamental value, it's 1 cent, around 1 cent. And it's exactly around 50% of the monthly gap. So guys, I hope this is not a head and shoulder pattern. I'm not now invested in Jasmy. Then basically I will not invest again, only if we jump to maybe full fill. It's around 0.2070. But imagine if the Jasmy will dump to 0.2070, all altcoins also will follow. I hope the Binance will not delist the Jasmy. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer set, what I showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.